guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Good. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Cairo. For my subscriber, thanks so much. I love you guys so much. And for my return subscriber, thanks so much. You are welcome to my home. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, also share my video. So today's guy, we're gonna clean together. Clean with me. Yeah, I think I will. Yeah. Clean with me. It's clean with me vlog. So let's go, guys. Let me show you what I will going to do. Let me show you what we are going to do today. So, 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 guys, this is how the room look like. As you guys can see, this is how the room look like. Okay, let's go to dressing room. Okay, as you can see, yeah, this is how the dressing room looks like. Okay, let's go to toilets. Here we have brush and some we have brush here and some stuff we are going to use for cleaning. This is bathroom. You guys can see it. So I think I was this one yesterday. I don't need to make it. And this bathroom is really clean. Just only toilet and sink. Just the two. So guys, let's go and start with room. Okay. So guys, we are going. To the floor. So guys, 30 minutes later, we are done. We are done clean and arrange. So you guys can see. So everything is llama and clean now. So let's just see the dressing room. As you can see, guys. So everything is perfect now. Everything is okay now. So let's go and see toilet. Maybe wait, two, each one. So this is toilet. Um, it this is toilet. Yeah, I think we did a good job. Yeah. It's closed because every time I wash toilet and I clean it, this is how I used to do it. I have to close it. Before I close it, I used to dry it with dry towel and everything, both glass, so both air and earth. So guys, let me quickly end the vlog. So guys, thanks for watching, guys. I think you guys will enjoy this vlog. Just me with me, and thank you so much. Thanks guys so much. I really do appreciate. And please guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. like my video, also share my video to your friend. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the red button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first person to notification. Chum, chum, chum. Tonight, see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.